You may have multiple versions of an image with varying edits. If you want to compare these images visually, there's actually a couple faster ways of doing this than rather opening them sequentially. In this folder, I have 4 versions of the same image with slight variations in hue and brightness. To begin with, one thing I can do is change the view method. To do this, click the View drop-down from above the preview pane. By default, thumbnails should be listed. If I click Film Strip instead, a larger version of my image will appear with the thumbnails underneath the preview image. From here, I can click on the variations to examine their differences. If I want to return to a thumbnail view, I can click on View once again and select it instead of the film strip. Another method, and perhaps the more robust of the two, is to click on the Compare Images icon that appears on the bottom of the preview pane. Compare Images is this small icon here. To compare images, ensure that you have several selected. When you click on the icon, a separate window will appear that allows for you to view the images at the same time. The strength of the Compare Images window is that you can zoom in on your image, and provided that they are the same dimensions, your zoom will be reflected in all the versions, so you can see how your efforts have changed the variable images. Secondly, I have 4 images selected, but I can use these icons at the top to view 3 images, 2, or even just 1. The histogram allows me to see the variations in light, and I can add RGB values as well. And I can even click this little exposure button here to determine if I have any blown out or underexposed areas. I use this tool all the time, and occasionally I will find that users don't know that it existed or where exactly to find it, and so this video is for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.